Understanding Maintenance Payments, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches on both language and law: maintenance payments. Whether you're studying English, interested in legal terms, or navigating situations where this concept might apply, understanding what maintenance payments are is incredibly useful. Let's explore this phrase together, breaking it down in a way that's easy to understand, no matter your level of English proficiency. Maintenance payments, also known as alimony or spousal support, are payments made from one individual to their spouse or ex-spouse following a separation or divorce. The purpose of these payments is to provide financial support to the spouse who might not be able to support themselves immediately following the end of the marriage. It's important to note that maintenance payments can be agreed upon by both parties or ordered by a court, and the specifics can vary widely depending on the laws of the country or state. Maintenance payments play a crucial role in ensuring that a spouse who may have been financially dependent on the other during the marriage can maintain a reasonable standard of living afterwards. This is especially significant in cases where one spouse may have sacrificed their career for the sake of the family or marriage. By understanding the concept of maintenance payments, individuals can better navigate the financial aspects of separations or divorces, ensuring fairness and support where it's needed most. Several factors can influence the amount and duration of maintenance payments, including the length of the marriage. Generally, longer marriages may result in longer periods of support. Each spouse's financial situation. This includes income, assets, and living expenses. Contributions to the marriage. This can include financial contributions and non-financial contributions like homemaking or raising children. Each spouse's earning capacity. This considers education, job skills, and time out of the workforce. Understanding these factors can help explain why maintenance payments vary so much from one case to another. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of maintenance payments. Whether you're learning English, studying law as a second language, or simply expanding your vocabulary, knowing terms like these can be incredibly empowering. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and realities those words represent. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you in the future. Happy learning!